Alright guys, today we're going to show you how to use an anti-static wristband as well as an anti-static mat. So let's get started. So what you're going to do is you're going to put it on your wrist pretty tight, not as tight as cutting your circulation off, but you want it pretty tight. And then you're going to take the other end with this metal or this copper looking side right here, the sticky side, and you're going to put it on the metal frame of the computer. It'll stick. Alright. Also, we have this anti-static mat. If you can tell right here that I'm standing on. This as well will keep the static electricity from coming into you and electrocuting you. So, when you're working on this, you want to use an anti-static wristband as well as a mat, preferably so that you won't get electrocuted. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you a RAM upgrade to this computer. Now when I turn this computer on, it boots up, it turns on. However, there's a beep code. And that beep code is referred to as no RAM. This computer has no RAM installed, so we're going to install some. Alright, so I'm going to turn the computer back off. And we're going to install this 4GB PC3 Livono RAM. Alright, we're going to install it here into the motherboard. Press down, you can hear the clips clip onto the RAM. And now we're going to turn the computer back on. As you can hear, it boots up, and turn the monitor on as well. And it boots up. There's no beep code, so we're good on that. Alright guys, so now we have seen that this is working properly, but we run into some trouble with the monitor. As you can see here, there's no white light, meaning there's no power to that monitor. That is because this monitor is not working properly. So we're going to exchange this monitor to another one and replug it. And I'm going to do that real quick, and we'll come back and I'll show you. Alright, so you can see I've unplugged the monitor. And on the back of this monitor, you have your VGA cables, your power supply, or your power cable. And what we're going to do is we're going to unplug those. Alright. Here. We're going to untwist the VGA cable. These little prongs, if I can get my fingers in there. This one. Well, let me come back and alright, so now you can see there's no cords, no VGA cables, nothing plugged into the monitor. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these cords out of the base here, and we're going to move this monitor to a different place. Alright, so now we're going to grab the new monitor. And we're going to turn it around. And we're going to plug in these cords. And we'll be right back. Alright guys, so now you can see I've plugged all the VGA cords, all the cords into the monitor. We're going to turn around and let's see if it works. So I'm going to take the power and plug it in. Turn the monitor on. Now you can see there is a light right there, white light, and the monitor's coming on. I'm going to turn on the computer. And there we go. It turns on, works properly. Computer's booting up, and we are good to go. So, we're good on that. That's how you replace a monitor that is not working. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have a monitor, and I've plugged in a keyboard that has a USB cable into the USB cable or USB port on the computer. We also have a mouse that has a USB that plugs into the computer as well. So this is your basic setup for a computer system. And we hope that you enjoy this video and like it. Thank you.